Hey there, my name's Justin. I live in a 19-foot Class B RV. If you want to know more about me, I would recommend you click the link in the description to watch the About Me video. But living in a 19-foot RV obviously presents its own kinds of challenges. One of the biggest challenges is how I go about cooking, because I could use propane with the stove that is built into the RV, but I've always felt like there are better options. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing one of my favorite ways to cook in the RV, and that way is the RoadPro 12-volt portable roaster. So let's get started. What I'm doing here is I'm actually making a aluminum pan, and you'll see exactly what I mean when I'm done. But all you do is you fold up a piece of aluminum into a little bitty bowl. Like so. It's got 4 walls on it. And this is how you cook inside of this stove. So I'm actually going to make 2 of these bowls tonight, and the reason I'm making 2 is because I'm planning to cook chicken and corn inside of the stove tonight, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So check this out. So the chicken is obviously going to take the longest to cook, so I put that in first, and it's now in the portable roaster. It takes about half an hour to an hour total to cook. I usually flip it at the 30-minute mark, let it cook for another half an hour, because it's really hard to overcook anything inside of here, especially if you butter the bottom of the pan and then add seasoning in with the chicken, as I do. And so in about half an hour, I'm going to flip the chicken. And then about 15 minutes after that, I'm going to add the corn in as well. And as you saw, I made those 2 bowls, and the corn will go into its own bowl. Moisture build up from the chicken. Now, the best part about cooking this way with this oven is that when you're done cooking, the aluminum foil is literally your plate. So you don't have to waste any more utensils, you don't have to waste the water to cook or clean or anything like that. When you're done eating, you just bundle up the aluminum foil and throw it away. Now, as you can see, I've managed to cook some other things inside of this roaster before. Just a quick clip here of the sandwiches that I've cooked in the past. You can cook pretty much anything you want inside of this roaster, and that includes sandwiches, fish, chicken, beef, pork, steak, whatever it may be. This thing seems to cook anything I throw at it. I use the same bowls to cook everything. It works really well. If you like this roaster, if you want to try it out, I do believe it would work in any cigarette lighter. As you saw, it plugs into a 12-volt cigarette lighter. And so it would probably even work in a car or truck. Does not need to be an RV. I linked to it in the Amazon description below. It's available for purchase there. I do get a little bit of a kickback through the affiliate program, so I greatly appreciate you using that link. Also, please hit that like button, that comment button, and that subscribe button, as I'm going to do a few more videos on some of the other tools that I use to cook in the kitchen that makes it a lot easier to cook inside of the RV. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope that you check out some of the other videos on my channel. We'll see you soon.